Hey guys, in this video I am gonna show you how can you install MongoDB on your VPS. So sometimes MongoDB Atlas becomes so slow. For that we will install MongoDB in VPS. So I am gonna using Google Cloud Platform for that. If you want, you can use AWS or Microsoft Azure as well. Process are same. We are gonna using Debian. And firstly we will create a VPS and after that install MongoDB, and after that create a admin user and a normal user for our application. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so this is my Google Cloud Platform. Here firstly create a new project, give it a project's name, and create. Now tap on the notification bar and here select that project. Okay, now go to the menu and here click on compute engine and select VM instance. Now here create one. Okay, so give it a name and select your region. I am gonna selecting Singapore, and here 2 GB is enough for MongoDB. Now using Debian. If you want to use another, you can use and go to mongodb.net and there you will get the instructions how can you install it on MongoDB on that. Okay, now here you can increase the disk space. Right now I am doing it 30 GB. Okay, after that click on create. So now MongoDB is creating. After creating after your MongoDB has been created, click on the three bar and click on networking. Here you have to add the MongoDB port on your firewall. So go to firewall. Now here create a firewall rule and here give it any name. Okay, now in here select the first option, all instance in that network. Okay, now here select the IP range 0.0.0/0 and here the TCP will be 27017 and create that. Now as you can see Mongo port has been created here. Okay, now go to your Google Cloud Platform homepage again and go to your compute engine. Now here tap that and open in new window. Okay, so now I am this is my that cell. This is my cell. So here firstly login as root and here you have to firstly install wget and after that paste that command. After that you need gnu pg and paste the previous command again. So these commands are on description, so please check the description. Okay, now here you have to update that. After updated you have to install the MongoDB. Okay, the MongoDB is installing. It's gonna take some time. Okay, now MongoDB has been installed. Okay, now you have to start that MongoDB and you have to reload. Okay, after that you have to enable that so that on next time the MongoDB start automatically. Okay, now here you have to type Mongo and you will be on Mongo cell. Now you have to type use admin. Okay, now we are switched to admin. Now we have to create an user. Firstly we are going to create admin. Okay, so db.create user, you can paste that command, this will be in description. Okay, so user is a username. For admin you have to type admin or anything, and the pwd is the password. Now you have to define the roles. This is the admin database, so you have to give a role to root, and the db is admin. Okay, now press enter and as you can see the db has been created, I mean that user has been created. Now you can copy that, copy and paste, and you have to change something to create an user. Okay, so let's copy it and paste it, and you have to change something. You have to change the root to read write any database. Okay, and you have to change the user to anything. Okay, so I'm gonna using Jeet here and press enter, so your user has been created. Okay, now exit, type exit, and you are exited from Mongo cell. Okay, now here you have to you have to add, for remote connection you have to add the port. Okay, so you have to change that config file, that is nano etc mongod.conf. Here you have to change the bind IP to 0.0.0.0. Now you have to define a security tool here. For that, write here security, give it 2 space and here authorization enabled. Okay, that's it, everything is done. Now you press Ctrl+O and save that, and Ctrl+X to exit. Okay, now you have to restart it. For that, service MongoDB restart. Oops, sorry, service MongoDB restart. Okay, now everything is ready. You can connect it with your application. To connect it, you need that IP address of your instance. Let's copy it. Okay, this is my MongoDB GUI. Okay, MongoDB compass. So here MongoDB dot / and admin dot that admin password at your IP address and port is 27017. Okay, and after that you can connect. So this is the admin. Okay, let's connect it user. Let's connect the user. So MongoDB user is Jeet and clone 123456789 at our IP address clone. port. So simple. You can connect this in your application as well. So thanks for watching, and the comments will be in description, so check the description and you can comment if you have any doubt. So subscribe to my channel, and that's it. Goodbye.